Hi everybody, make a hole in the egg and remove the yolk. Then we're going to do multicolor on it and then put a solution inside and make different faces like this. We are making one eye monster and look how cute these are looking. Look at this cute mini cycle. Let's make it. Make the wheels of the cycle by folding the craft paper and paste all the handles using straw, and look, it is ready. We are going to paste a leaf on the sheet of paper. Now take these walnut shells and we are making a beautiful ladybug. Color it and then draw its antennas, its leg, and look, it is ready. Let's make this dress changing doll craft. We are going to cut a frog shape on the paper cup. Now we are going to make different patterns on another piece of paper cup and put all of them together. It is ready. Look at this moving fan. Let's make it. We're going to cut the shape on the paper cup. Now we are going to open it like this. Make a hole in the center and put a rubber band inside it. After that, we're going to make the fans and paste all of them together. Paste 1, 2 and 3 number, and look, it is ready. Look at this moving bicycle. Let's make it. Cut the base of the paper cup and make the tires of the bicycle. Now fold the straw and combine all of them together like this. Make the handle and seat of the cycle, and look, it is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.